We saw a huge volume over here in this low. The market has been very slow, okay, after lunch. So we have very high selling to the downside, but the market just didn't want to go lower.
Order
Okay,
submitted.
so let's see, the Nasdaq was consolidating here. This awful price action here, this is not tradable, guys. Just don't go with the Nasdaq. I prefer to trade the S&P 500. It's more cleaner. The stops are smaller. Okay, so you gotta be aware of that. So we are having this downtrend line. Okay, so was very difficult to go long here. We saw huge buy spikes, but the market just didn't go higher. Everything was absorbed. Okay, so when you got down here, we said this big buying down here. We saw the volume to the upside, and we're still in this trade. Okay, so you can see you can if you make a trade here or here, if you want to break the higher the lower high, you can add to the position. Okay, you can enter here, you can add to the position here. Okay, this volume is very strong to the upside, so I do see that in the close we're gonna see the market go higher. Okay, so we're gonna wait and see. Okay, so we are now roll over everything to the 12 contract, the December contract. Okay, so you need to remember to make all the changes in your indicators. Okay, so I haven't made the rollover yet in my indicators, but I will today. So we're gonna roll everything to the 1220. Okay, so this will be it. And the Bidas multi-correlation, you need to change the three instruments, the slaves that you have, and time and sales. Okay, you need to, if you have slaves indicators, which I don't have in the S&P 500, it's alone. But if you have, you need to change everything to the 12. So that's the only change that you need to do. It's nothing else. Okay, so it's very easy to do. Okay, so that will be it, guys. For the Bidas multi-correlation, we have added the sound files. Okay, so if you want to re-download again the files, you need to go to the where you purchase the system, the link, and re-download the Bidas multi-correlation again, and remove the one you have and install the new one, and you will have the WAV files. You just need to add the files that you want to. If you want the sound for a blue arrow, for a red arrow, for the dot, it's up to you. Okay, guys, so
target filled.
Thanks for watching the video, and if you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description.
Filled.
You can contact me. There's all the information that you need. I don't think that you need something else to day trade. Okay, so I wouldn't recommend you trading the Nasdaq, guys. The Nasdaq is it's a very difficult market to trade. I do believe there is too much risk for whatever you can gain in that market. They can really, put you upside down. So I don't recommend losing money is tough. It's difficult. So if you just want to sim around, you can do. But if you are really a person that you're really trying to make money in this market, just go with the micro ES or the ES. Okay, you see that the majority of the times my arrows do provide extra ticks. Okay, you want $100, $80, $50, $200. Okay, you can make that money. It's not difficult. If you trade off of the support and resistance, okay, and you find the aggressive volume turning around, you see this is aggressive volume turning around. This is aggressive volume turning around. If you hang out to this one, just a little bit, you don't need to do a lot of trades like making all those kind of crazy trades. Scalping one tick, which is ridiculous. You just get a small chunk of money, but decent money. Okay, I mean $100 to $200, which is a daily salary for any person. Okay, you can trade the afternoon too.
Order submitted.
And at night, it gives good opportunities. Okay, the market is trending very nicely. Okay, so it's not like crazy, which it has good volatility and it's easily to catch some good money. Okay, so I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Okay, I'm not a guru by any means. I just designed this software to to make a living out of it. Okay, sometimes it's tough because the market is manipulated. But sometimes you can catch a little bit here, a little bit there. It has a lot of visuals. You can see the tape momentum here in this buy. Okay, so it's something that is very visual. You can see that. Okay, so you need to know what the market is doing. You see the Nasdaq doing all that, skating over here too, pushing to the upside. So it's a no-brainer, guys. You just don't go against the market. Okay, so just trade with the market. Don't go against it. Okay, so you just need one good trade. Don't go crazy going around with too many trades because the markets will drive you crazy. Okay, so just watch for support and resistance, which is the most important of everything. Okay, so that's all you need to check. Okay, that's all you need to check. You see over here how the market reacted to the
Order
buy.
filled.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna exit here, guys.
Target filled.
I don't think the market can go.
Target filled.
I don't like this kind of
Stop
selling in
filled.
the top part. As you can see, the buying here, it was very strong. They started over here,
Order
then
submitted.
they made a commitment here. Okay, so they made the pullback and just this straight line, very nice. Okay, you see the commitment here, to the sell side was a big push. Then they made the reversal, and then they were straight down. That's the pattern repeat, guys. You see over here this pattern. It's always the same, always the same. It's always the same. It's only screen time. That's all it is.
Order filled.
Screen time. You see, it's the same pattern. You just wait for the big push. Don't go with the big push. Just wait for the market
Target
to retrace.
filled.
Then
Target
go with the market.
filled.
Okay. In this area, we didn't have
Order
the arrow,
submitted.
but over here, yes. This is the more convincing one. Okay, but this one you can see, you can watch the tape, and go with the short. Okay, so everything is just watching the tape. Over here, this pattern failed. It didn't work. Why? Because we didn't see the
Order
the
filled.
higher low. Over here there was a lower high. There you go. Okay, guys, so I'm done for the day. I don't want to be in the computer anymore. I'm very tired. So the market is closing as
Stop
you
filled.
saw the tape over here. The tape told you they were selling down here, up here, and the market just reversed, as you can see. You just watch the tape, guys, and watch what the market is doing. You just need one good trade. That's it. You don't need to be scalping all day long. Okay, guys, so I will let the market run until the close so you can see how the system works. And
Order
thanks for watching, guys.
filled.
Anything else, contact me via email.
Target filled. Target filled. Stop filled. Order submitted. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Stop filled.